Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am decorating for the first week of February in my classic catch-all happy planner. I am using glitter paint this week, and this book came out in 2019. I have not used it until today, so I really haven't even, I think I just recently got it too. So I'm excited to use this one. I'm going to use all of the like reds and pink swirls, and then there's obviously black, and then there's a little bit of orange that's in there, but I'm going to try to cover up any place that has that orange. Like I really want to use this, and that doesn't really show any of the orange. I'm excited. This is really fun. I think it's super, super, super different, and I'm sad I haven't gotten it up until now, but let's go ahead and start. All right, so this is my last week before I start my new full-time job. So there's a lot of things that I need to of course we're moving super soon. This is the last week before we move. So this is going to be like the packing week because I leave on Sunday to go stay at my dad's house so that I'm only like 20 minutes from work as opposed to 3 hours. So I'm going to stay with him Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, and Wednesday night. And then Thursday, I'm going to leave to come back home after work. So it's getting like super, super, super close. It's getting even crazier, but I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and start. I have my block pad, that's what they're called, of everything going on this week. Saturday is the only day that it's like open. So that's really going to be our major packing day. All right. As far as the sidebar, I really, because of everything that's going on, I've been really using a lot of sticky notes and filler paper inserts. So I'm not going to have like a to-do list or anything crazy on the side because of that reason, and which is good because I want to use these fun stickers. I'm going to make sure I get this big quote that I want to use. Let's just go ahead and start pulling stuff out. These planning guides make it really easy to you can obviously put it right over the layout and figure out exactly where you want to place stuff, but for me, I hardly ever use it for that exact purpose, but I really just like to pull things out and figure out, all the deal. All right, always use boxes, so pull this out. And then this. Well, I might be pulling out here. Let's do this. This is red and pink. I might have too many boxes at this point, so let me just move on to the other things. Here are some bullet points, so that'll be good. I don't know if I necessarily want any silver right now, but I'll keep that in mind. Here are these strips. It's so cute. Let me just think on that. And then these corners, so adorable. It's just like super fun. So let's see where I want to put this. Could put it down there, and then sticking this one down, I would need to cover up kind of that orange spot, but let me keep going. There's also these. Oh, there's so much stuff to use. Leave a trail of magic wherever you go. That's cute. I think I want to try and use that. I have like this shelf right above where sometimes I'll stick things. Get it done. Here's love. Let's use that. All right. Okay. This. Always be brave. So I like it. I'm going to do it. So stick this right in the corner, and then I'll put the quote with it. Okay. I'm going to cover up this list title. Put this with it. Very nice. Ooh, this is like so different than anything I've ever done before. I think that's why I was really scared of the book when it came out 3 years ago, but I'm glad I have it now because it's really fun. It's the weekend. Let me pull that out. All right, I had a phone call. I don't know where it cut me off, but we're just gonna keep it rolling. All right, this is a really cute star. I thought I could put down somewhere. And here's another one. The magic is in you. That is so cute. I wonder if I'll have room for this. I don't know. All right, and then appointment is Tuesday. I wanted to put this noted to put down that the Winter Olympics are starting on Thursday. Not like I'm gonna have tons of time to be watching TV or anything, but at least have it put down. So that is Thursday. Ooh, look at these, look at these. Okay. We can do this one. Always choose kindness. This noted would be good for Monday. I'm gonna do it like in the morning. You rock, girl, and dream big. I don't know if I have room for this. Maybe I could put it on Saturday for like moving the whole day. And then, of course, I have these at the front, at the beginning. I'm gonna put this for like something super important, and then up here I'm gonna put you rock. All right, so now I have everything pulled out and can start placing things down. Okay, so I want to put this kind of on Thursday and Friday, just like right up against each other. But of course, there's dog hair. Put cover up this little piece of purple. Put it's the weekend, and then put this like packing time kind of thing like that. I'll put love with it. Mostly all done. Just put like noted with that. Put super happy. You rock. Let's put the best day and dream big. Okay. And then some of this. All right. I definitely do want to put the other piece like that. So it would be this one. I'm just going to need to somehow cover up that orange spot. Other things are these stars. Just kind of like jazzes up a little spot. I can do it over here and down here and okay, here's some more. Let's get some black. Let's see. There's like some purple, so I just want the black ones. Thankfully, you can't even tell if you cut it since it's clear anyways. So put some right there. I wonder if I could put some lips from this book. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, like these lips. It's like cute, and it's more, you know, like Valentine's Day. So let's just add a little. Yeah, okay, here's some big ones. Here we go. see. Maybe you put it down here. Oh, these are so cute. The ones that have like a bubble coming out, like they're blowing a bubble, is super cute, but it's not the right pink, so I won't be able to use it. But I can put some of these. Okay. I'm not going to go too crazy with that. So I think I'm all done. So I just used those 2 books. All right, it's all done. I think this is really fun. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. I think it's like very different than something I've ever done before because black normally isn't my thing. Also feel like I want to use a little bit of black washi, so I'll pull this out. Put it here, and let's do some up here. On this corner is cute. All right, I think that'll be it. Maybe this corner. All right. Fun, fun, fun. All right. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let me know if you have this book because I've never used it before. So I think I really, really like it. This is a lot of fun. So in remembrance of Valentine's Day, I'm going to be doing like lots of pink and red and those kind of color spreads this month. So stay tuned for all of that. Make sure you have on your post notifications, hit that little bell, as well as if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed and like this video if it's something that you like. It is a free way to help me out. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.